In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Digital Banking for business. So if you're trying to add or create an account of Chase Digital Banking, in today's video, let me show you the way on how you create one. Now what you need to do is open up your web browser and search for Chase Business, and as soon as you do that, on the bottom you'll be able to see the option which says Chase Business Services. Within this section you can create different sort of business accounts that is available, but however if you want to straight away create a checkings account, you can also see the section or the option being displayed. You can simply tap on this option. Now in order to enroll for this, you'll need to have your business details such as your tax ID as well as your social security number. Before you start the sign up process, make sure you have these documents with you. Now the benefits of using the business account is you can transfer funds from your personal Chase account to your business account and vice versa. Apart from the fund transfer benefits, other benefits include the mobile deposit. You can use the Chase Quick Deposit in the mobile app or on the website as well to take these snap photos of the checks and deposit them instantly up to your daily limit. Also, you can set up the payee, track your payment history as well as schedule automatic bill payments. So within this page, you'll be able to see the option called Open Account. Make sure you fill in all of the information that is required and your account should be created. So this is the exact process that you need to follow. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.